90 questions and answers based on Lekki Headmaster. 1. Who is the protagonist of the novel? A. Banky. B. Mrs. Ibadan Gloss. C. Beepo. D. Mr. Ogunwal. Answer. C. 2. What is the full name of the principal referred to as Beepo? A. Beepo Adebayo. B. Adewale Adebayo. C. Adebayo Beepo. D. Adekunle Beepo. Answer. B. 3. Which teacher was known for her witty remarks in the book? A. Mrs. Ibadan Gloss. B. Mrs. Apa. C. Mr. Adu. D. Mr. Amos. Answer. 4. Who were the 2 students involved in a rivalry dating back to JSS 3? A. Banky and Toss. B. Jide and Kemi. C. Sherry and Tai. D. Abba and Tosh. Answer. 5. Which character is deeply committed to African history and culture? A. Mr. Ogunwal. B. Beepo. C. Jide. D. Mrs. Gloss. Answer. B. 6. What theme is central to the rivalry between Banky and Toss? A. Democracy. B. Social justice. C. Family and politics. D. Cultural diversity. Answer. C. 7. The recurring phrase, if you say education is expensive, try ignorance, reflects which theme? A. Importance of hard work. B. Value of education. C. Leadership struggles. D. Sacrifice and dedication. Answer. B. 8. The novel explores the effects of migration under which term? A. Brain drain. B. Japa syndrome. C. Wanderlust. D. Exodus. Answer. B. 9. What theme is highlighted through the depiction of the Badagry Slave Museum? A. Liberation. B. Historical memory. C. African resilience. D. Colonization. Answer. B. 10. The sacrifices made by Beepo reflect which central theme of the book? A. Family loyalty. B. Dedication to duty. C. Political ambition. D. Cultural preservation. Answer. B. 11. Why was Beepo reluctant to renew his passport? A. He feared the stress at the immigration office. B. He had no plans to travel abroad. C. He lacked the funds for renewal. D. He was unaware it had expired. Answer. 12. What led to the conflict during the prefect election speech? A. Banky insulted Tosh's father. B. A bribe scandal emerged. C. Beepo intervened in the voting process. D. Tosh accused the school of favoritism. Answer. 13. What project was the Invention Club working on? A. A recycling initiative. B. A phone-making project. C. A solar-powered device. D. A wind turbine. Answer. B. 14. What delayed Beepo's first trip to the UK? A. He misread the flight time. B. The airport was overcrowded. C. His passport was invalid. D. He had an emergency meeting. Answer. 15. How did Beepo's colleagues describe his impact on Stardom schools? A. Inspirational and transformative. B. Strict but fair. C. Visionary and diplomatic. D. Reserved but effective. Answer. 16. Where is Stardom schools located? A. Lekki. B. Badagry. C. Ikoyi. D. Ibadan. Answer. 17. What significant historical location did the students visit in Badagry? A. First-story building. B. Slave market. C. Point of no return. D. All of the above. Answer. D. 18. What tourist attraction in Ekiti did the students explore? A. Ikogosi Warm Springs. B. Aranigisha Waterfalls. C. Orinta Waterfalls. D. Yankari Games Reserve. Answer.